So, you're sitting there, scrolling through your feed, watching videos about artificial intelligence, and you think, wow, this is amazing. I want to get into this field. But then, a little voice in your head says, wait, I have no experience. How can I possibly start a career in AI? Well, let me tell you, you're not alone, and I'm here to break it down for you. Starting a career in AI without any prior experience is not only possible, it can actually be a thrilling journey if you approach it the right way. First things first, let's talk about that little voice of doubt. It's normal to feel intimidated when you're looking at a field that seems so advanced and technical. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to shift your mindset from, I can't, to, how can I? This simple shift opens up a world of possibilities. You don't need a PhD to get started. You just need a passion for learning and a willingness to put in the effort. Now, let's dive into the first step, getting a solid foundation. Understanding the basics of AI is crucial. You can start with some online courses. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer fantastic introductory courses, many of which are free or low cost. Look for courses that cover fundamental concepts such as machine learning, neural networks, and data science. You don't have to become an expert overnight. Think of it as building blocks. Each course adds to your knowledge and skill set. Once you've got a grip on the basics, it's time to get your hands dirty. Practical experience is invaluable in the tech world, and there's no shortage of resources available for you to practice. Websites like Kaggle offer data sets and challenges that allow you to apply what you've learned. You can start with simple projects, like predicting house prices or classifying images. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with the tools and techniques used in AI. Speaking of tools, familiarize yourself with programming languages that are commonly used in AI. Python is the go-to language for many AI practitioners because of its simplicity and the vast array of libraries available, like TensorFlow and PyTorch. If you're not already familiar with Python, there are tons of free resources to help you learn. Websites like Codecademy and Free Code Camp offer interactive coding lessons that can get you up to speed in no time. Now, while you're learning and practicing, don't forget about the importance of networking. This is where the social aspect of starting a career comes into play. Join online communities, participate in forums, and connect with others who are on the same path. Platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, and even Discord have vibrant AI communities where you can ask questions, share your projects, and learn from others. Networking can lead to mentorship opportunities, collaborations, or even job leads down the line. And speaking of jobs, let's talk about how to position yourself for opportunities in the field. Once you've built some foundational knowledge and completed a few projects, it's time to showcase your work. Create a portfolio that highlights your projects, what you learned from them, and the skills you developed. GitHub is a great platform for this. Potential employers love to see tangible evidence of your skills, and a well-organized GitHub profile can set you apart from other candidates. Now, you might be wondering, what if I don't have a formal degree in computer science or a related field? Well, that's okay. The tech industry is increasingly valuing skills over traditional qualifications. Focus on building a strong portfolio and gaining relevant experience through projects, internships, or even volunteering. Look for entry-level positions or internships that don't require extensive experience. Sometimes, companies are willing to train the right person who shows enthusiasm and a willingness to learn. Another thing to consider is the power of side projects. If you have an idea for an AI application or a problem you want to solve, work on it in your spare time. This not only enhances your skills, but also demonstrates your initiative and creativity to potential employers. Whether it's a chatbot, a recommendation system, or even a simple game, side projects are a fantastic way to apply your knowledge and create something you can be proud of. As you progress, keep learning. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and staying updated on the latest trends and technologies is essential. Follow industry leaders on social media, read research papers, and subscribe to AI newsletters. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to navigate your career path. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: imposter syndrome. It's something that many people in tech deal with, especially when starting out. You might look at others who seem more experienced and think, I'll never be as good as them. But remember, everyone has their own journey. Focus on your growth and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. The fact that you're taking steps to learn and grow is already a huge accomplishment. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's reaching out to a mentor, asking questions in online forums, or collaborating with peers, seeking assistance is a sign of strength, not weakness. The AI community is often very supportive, and many people are willing to share their knowledge and experiences. So, to wrap it all up, starting a career in AI with no experience is absolutely achievable. Embrace the learning process, get hands-on with projects, network with others, build a solid portfolio, and keep pushing yourself to grow. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and with determination and passion, you can carve out your own path in this exciting field. So, get out there, start learning, and who knows, you might just be the next big thing in AI.